Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. PCC stands for pyridinium chlorochromate, represented as C5H5NH plus CHO3. It is a mild oxidizing agent used in organic chemistry. Moving on to the next step. RCH2O is a primary alcohol. The carbon bearing the O group has two hydrogen atoms attached. Moving on to the next step. PCC is a mild oxidant that oxidizes primary alcohols only to aldehydes, RCHO, not all the way to carboxylic acids. Stronger oxidants like KMNO4 or K2Cr2O7H2SO4 would oxidize a primary alcohol to a carboxylic acid. PCC stops at the aldehyde stage because the reaction is performed in anhydrous, non-aqueous conditions, preventing further oxidation. And for the final step. In PCC, chromium is in the +6 oxidation state, Cr6 as in CHO3. When it acts as an oxidizing agent, it gains electrons and is reduced to Cr3. This is consistent with all chromium-based oxidations. A. Incorrect. PCC does not oxidize primary alcohols to carboxylic acids that requires stronger oxidants. B. Correct. Primary alcohol RCH2O is oxidized to aldehyde RCHO and Cr6 is reduced to Cr3. C. Incorrect. The alcohol is oxidized, loses hydrogen electrons, not reduced. Also, Cr goes from +6 to +3, reduction, not oxidation. D. Incorrect. RCH2O is a primary alcohol. Ketones are formed from secondary alcohols. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.